Good morning everyone! Welcome back to our last part of this project. Today we are going to finish up everything in video part 4. Let's get started. I have my mountains ready. I have my decorations ready. I have white glue and my box is ready to put everything together. Okay, for the decoration part, you can have the same idea with me, or you have your own idea. Go ahead, put it inside a box. So let's get it started. Okay. Now first, I'm gonna put my river. If you're using a real stone like Miss Lisa, you probably need this type of heavy-duty glue. Now let a adult help you to put on this glue, okay?